welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this particular video I'll be sharing with you how you could sell your ATOK token and send it down to your trust wallet so that you could sell it using the PancakeSwap. You could see that I have the sum total of 4,527.26 at ATOK token. So you just need to sit down and watch the video very carefully so that you not miss any part. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and click on the bell notification so I could notify anytime we upload another video. So I've created a lot of video on how you could actually transfer your ATOK token. I'll be dropping the video link in the description on this particular video in the comment section. So you just have to tap on this manage. So when you tap on this manage, you tap on transfer, and after you have tapped on transfer, remember you paste the address of where you are sending it to. You have to paste it here and the amount that you will be sending. So let me go to my trust wallet now. So now currently this is my trust wallet, and before you will be able to send ATOK token to this particular trust wallet, you must have add the ATOK manually to your trust wallet that it will be showing. Let me quickly show you my own. I've done it and I've created a particular video on how you could add yours manually, which I'll be dropping the video in the description of this particular video. So you could see that mine now is showing ATOK. So you have to tap on this, then you tap on receive. So once you tap on receive, the address it will show you, you have to copy here. You just have to tap on copy here. So that is what you will take to your ATOK token here. That's the address you are going to paste here and the amount, then you send, then it will appear within few seconds. It will appear on your trust wallet. So once it has appeared on your trust wallet and you are ready to sell, in as much it has shown, what you have to do is that, okay, I'm not updating. Okay, what you have to do now, if you have your ATOK, so once you have your ATOK token, what you have to do now on your trust wallet, what you have to do is that you have to come to this discover here. You tap on discover, then on this search icon here, you have to tap on PancakeSwap.finance. So let me just type it, pancake. You see it has, this is it here showing in the first, this one. So you just have to tap on it, then you allow it to load. Let it load. You see PancakeSwap.finance. That is where you'll be able to swap it. But first of all, you need to have BNB because it is built on the Binance blockchain. If you have been watching my video, you understand. So in as much as it has shown that you have your BNB, at least anything around $1 above BNB. So the first thing you need to do is to come to this section. You need to connect your wallet, the wallet where you active this. So you could just tap on trust wallet here. You tap on connect. You could see mine now that it has changed. It has shown connect. So when you want to swap, here already is already showing BNB. Then here we need to change it to ATOK. So you just tap on this one showing cake. You have to tap on it. Let's search for it, that ATOK. You can see it is not showing here. Then we have to add it manually. You can see no result found. So we have to add it manually. So I'll be typing the ATOK token contract address. I'm not talking about the receiver address I showed you earlier. I'm talking about the ATOK token contract address. So let me paste it. I've copied that. I will be dropping it in the one. You can see that it has shown ATOK on its own. So you have to tap on import, then you tick on I understand, then you tap on import. Now it has import. So now what you just need to do, you tap the number of BNB, maybe let's say 1 BNB, allow it to load. You tell you the number of ATOK token which you'll be able to get here. Still loading. Actually, I don't know what is happening, but maybe they are not having enough USDT to swap on it. So once it is like this, oh sorry, you need to change it because we want to sell our ATOK, not that we are buying with BNB. We want to sell our ATOK to BNB. Yes, so it is ATOK that needs to be appearing here, the BNB here. So when you just tap on this one, it will swap itself. So let me just tap on it. You see that it has swapped. Now let's say we have let's say we have 10,000 ATOK. So it will tell you the amount of BNB it will give to us. This is how it has to be. Let's say we are swapping this thing. I don't know, maybe there is not enough BNB in the pool. So once here it will show you the amount of BNB in dollar that it will give to you. So what you just need to do is to tap on swap, and once it is swap, then your actor will go and you will get BNB, and that BNB you can now send it to any centralized exchange like Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, and convert them to USDT and sell. And also here you can also use the swap section to also swap from BNB to USDT so that you could just sell on P2P. So this is how to trade and sell your ATOK token on Trust Wallet. It is well useful. Please kindly drop your comment in the comments section and tell me what you actually got in this particular video. Kindly subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload any video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.